Hi, it's Sierra Grind with the Grind Team, powered by Keller Williams here in the beautiful Lake of the Ozarks. I'm about to enjoy a glass of wine, enjoying this patio and the beautiful view of our newest lakefront listing, right in Sunrise Beach on the 38-mile marker of the Osage Arm. While you're enjoying your tour, just remember this property comes completely turnkey. Let's check it out. Gosh, this sure is located in a nice quiet cove and subdivision, as they don't allow nightly rentals. And as you can tell from the interior photos, a property like this will not last long. Call the Grind Team today to schedule your private showing.